Hello. If you ever created a big great script in Dynamo like this one and you send it to a colleague only for him to come back to you in a couple of hours and ask you, I have this or that um, node says unresolved and I cannot figure out which one it is, the reason and the problem is not with you, but it's actually with the Dynamo files which are not storing the information about the um, packages from which the nodes are coming. Unfortunately, for someone who receives a file who doesn't have the package, there's no actual way for him to find the package unless he Googles it. And if it's like an internal company not available online package, it's nearly impossible unless someone who made the script tells you which package is the correct one. There's no way to restore it. So the only possible solution is for the author of the script to actually document uh, the packages that are required for his script. So today I'm going to show you one big great script which actually doesn't really matter what it does. It's just huge. It has a lot of packages from different, a lot of nodes from different packages, and I'll just show you how to extract all the information. And in my opinion, the most suitable um, place to put the information about the packages and their versions is in a note right next to the inputs. So I'm gonna close the file. It's called Big Great Script. Actually, it has a different name, but I renamed it for the presentation. And I'll show you the script that I created. Extract node packages in versions. Version 1. So this is the script. You provide a few things and you're getting a file, a text file in which all the versions of the packages and their names are provided. Unfortunately, I couldn't figure out a way to like generate a node like this. Dynamo cannot create its own nodes for some reason. It was quite difficult to figure out how to export a text on the screen which you can Control C, Control V. So the easiest thing that I come up with was a text file. So you have to select only three things. First thing is the package folder, which always is in your user app data. Actually, not always, but in the most common case, roaming, Dynamo, then Dynamo Revit 2.0 packages. Then the next thing is to select the output file, which is, let's say this one. You can create it in the same folder where the script is, and then you can select the file that you want to examine. In our case, this would be the Big Great Script, which you can see is 970 kilobytes, which is quite big script for Dynamo. Then the next step is simply to run, but before I run it, I'll just show you that the file I created is actually empty. One moment, just a second. Output. Yep, I opened it and here it is. The file is empty. So I'll run the script, and after a few seconds, because I have like 1.5 gigabytes of add-ons on my Dynamo, so it takes a while to run through all of them, and it finished. There are errors in these two warnings in these two nodes, but it doesn't matter. End of the day, this is the output. There you can see the clockworks for Dynamo versions Steam node version and so on. So if you go back to the file, it tells you that the file was updated. When you click yes, you see them formatted in a nice way. You can copy them. Then you can just open a note, paste them here, take this note and copy it back to your big great script. That's it. I spent some time to build this script. I couldn't find any good solution. It looks like there is a solution for the newer versions of Dynamo or after 2.3. Then the problem is going to be solved by the developers of Dynamo in a way that they're going to write the information about the packages inside of the Dynamo scripts, so people will no longer need to ask the author which packages he used and which versions. They will be already written down in the files, but that's in the newer versions. So if you're using anything before 2.3, the script might be useful for you. I hope this was useful. Thanks and bye.